On my last video, you see that I just added the coconut oil to these fruits. Dollar Tree has these fruit lotions that I showed last time. I have the lemon, I have the apple, and I have the pear. And I think the pear is my favorite one. Yes, the pear is definitely my favorite one because, I mean, it's just so freaking cute. You notice in my last video, I just added the coconut oil that you can also purchase at the Dollar Tree. But if you wanted to add it, if you wanted it to be like more lotion based, I also have something to make it organic and natural as well. The Palmer's coconut oil. No parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no sulfates, no dyes. Made with natural coconut oil and mamoni, and formulated with ethically sourced ingredients. So some of the things that it says on the back is made with natural vitamin E, has water, has coconut, soybean oil, shea, sunflower. It's a lot of great things in here. What I'm gonna do is take some of this, add it in here, stir it up, and see how it works as an overall body moisturizer for those who actually are looking for something that's more lotion based opposed to just, you know, oil. Open up this. As you can see, it already has some oil in it. Stir it in here. Kind of turning into like a body butter almost. And then we're gonna see how it actually like moisturizes our skin. I think I added a lot. Okay. Okay, so it is adding shine. Does moisturize. Okay. Oops. I can't see because I'm looking in a viewfinder. Add some more on my hands. Ooh. Body moisturize. So here's our alternative for organic natural body moisturization for your skin. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.